Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collections for women. We have different types of crochet design. In this video, we show you the some crochet baby frog designs collection. These all collections are very useful in winter. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet baby clothes designs collection. These are all handmade crochet baby clothes designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet baby frog designs collection. These you can see the beauty of these crochet baby clothes designs collection. Cute babies crochet frog designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet baby cloth designs collection. Beautiful and stylish baby frog designs collection. White and red crochet cloth designs collection. So beautiful. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet baby cloth designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.